The history of fungi. Once upon a time, they ruled the earth. Plants were relatively small, while giant, up to 10-meter tall prototaxites, where you see the little man in the corner with a big fossil, that's a giant prototaxite. And they used to be thought of as being some ancient type of plant, but it's been now well studied and shown that these are giant fungi, and they were on Earth and dominated the Earth about 420 to 350 million years ago, which is very, very long time ago. And you can see here in the painting, it's depicting sort of what the world might have looked back then. That's the prototaxites. They kind of looked a little bit like furry trees, but they were actually fungi. These were the first colonizers of the Earth. Fungi were decomposing rock and decomposing dying mosses and other plants that were already starting to grow, but there were no trees yet. They were starting to create the first soils. Yes, this is what once ruled the world, giant mushrooms. However, nowadays, fungi are very diverse. They look very different. There's many different species. In fact, it's estimated that the fungi kingdom contains 2.2 to 3.8 million species, and we only have discovered or have described 80,000 so far. There is so much to be learned about fungi, so many new species to be found, discovered, and this is why the topic of fungi is so fascinating. And aren't they gorgeous? And it is so worthwhile studying fungi and looking at fungi and understanding what they do.